Yes, it's recording. Oh, look, it's a Jimny. Everyone knows I love a Jimny. This is my lovely Jimny. Criticisms of my lovely Jimny is the water doesn't drain off it, which means I get this lovely algae, full-on algae thing going on, which is lovely. Come on, go far first, because there's a person, I can't get past them anyway. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's my algae covered Jimny. The water does not drain off of it particularly well. I'm sure if I coated or wrapped, maybe I can get something that's going to make that happen more easily. God, I love this car. It's so much fun. Look at it. It's great. Simple dash, simple stereo, heating controls, hill descent, electric windows, traction control off, a few other buttons over here for some lights, plastic everywhere, cheap plastics everywhere, robust plastics as well. Oh, it's my favourite car to drive. Just, oh, great. It's great. My Jimny. I love my Jimny. It's great. So I'm sat up nice and high in my little narrow car. Just wobbles around like anything, no going fast. Moment, bit of a muddy march. It's a muddy march. It's been tipping it down with rain. I'm now going a route home where I'm hoping I'm going to be able to find more puddles rather than less. I've come off the main road because I was stuck in a stream of traffic. One likes a stream of traffic. But this is disappointing. It's normally flooded down here. Boo! So happy to be driving around in this car, but a little bit disappointed that the conditions are as good as they are, to be honest. There's a car in this garage here that I want, and it's that Audi convertible just there. M-Reg. It's old and I like it. It's very 80s. Very, very 80s. 80s, early 90s even, I should be saying. Well, it's early 90s, isn't it? Early 90s? Yeah. Or is it mid 90s? Possibly mid. Changed my dates now. the other reason why I like this car. Oh yeah, I pulled away, for example, and it flicked up one of the door was open on that side. Well, the fact that you can reach your door like that, just there. There's no centre console, won't place my phone. Wafty for your arm. I've got to get a thing to stick in the middle here somehow. Oh no, you're kidding me. Road closed. I wanted to go down Moat Road and it's closed. Well, it says it's closed. You never know in the UK. If a road says it's closed, there's probably a higher probability it's open, to be honest. It's a shame. That road's made for a car like this. Oh, come on, Jazz. Honda Jazz. Beeping for? Not me, that's for sure. Everybody likes a Jimny. Nobody needs to bib at a Jimny, because Jimnys are just so inoffensive. Give it some, come on. Foot to the floor, 4,000 revs, getting 4,500 and change. Oh yeah. Okay, we didn't quite get to national speed limit. All we needed to make the turn, but we tried. We did try. There we go, a little bit of lean on the power through the dip. Need to watch this corner because sometimes it's just blind. Came around here on my bike once and found everything at a standstill, and I was leaning in and giving it some round there. Everything had stopped, just here. For the Jimny though, getting to 40 on here is we're there now. We've got to work it to get there. Oh, I love you, little Jimny. I love you, little Jimny. Another reason why I love my Jimny. So this is the road that leads onto my road. A little bit country-esque. Quite a few potholes. But I can't get 3 of my cars out of this road at the moment because when it rains it does this. So I'm limited then. But my Jimny, it is great. Gotta love a Jimny. Loving it in my Jimny. Taking it in your Jimny. Cause in your Jimny it always feels good. I love a Jimny. I love a Jimny. What can I say?